I'm Aniya.Cierra and welcome back to my channel. I feel like y'all really enjoyed my monkey video, so I'm back again with another monkey video. If you haven't seen my first monkey video, go check it out. Link will be in the description below, and I'll also leave a card. But I'm about to get on monkey and ask people will they be my boyfriend. Hopefully this time the screen recording works. Because last time, if y'all seen that video, then you know what happened. But yeah, we're about to just jump into the video. Okay, so this is going to be my second time filming this video because the first time it didn't really turn out how I wanted it. So I'm about to get on monkey again. Okay.
Oh.
Hi.
So,
I got a question.
yep, that's how. She's back around.
Will you be my boyfriend? Will you be my boyfriend?
Yeah,
Okay. Hey,
What you doing?
I'm chilling. I got a question.
What's up?
Will you be my boyfriend? Answer the question. Okay, so it's a couple little kids on here, so I'm just not gonna ask them. That's kind of weird, you know?
I'm a baby. I'm 4. Isn't that cool?
No.
Why not?
That was weird.
Hey.
Hey,
Oh, I like your hair.
thanks. There's a lot of little kids on here right now. Which is weird because it's almost 1 o'clock and they're on this app. When am I gonna get to be able to ask my question? I just want to ask my question. Get my video over with. Come on. So I can ask my question. Hello? That's childish. Next. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. You're so fucking childish on your face, bitch.
Hey, you suck my dick. No. Well, I'll fuck that shit out of you.
Okay, so anyway, I got a question for y'all.
What is the question? That's on.
I got a question for y'all.
What's the question?
Which one of y'all wanna be my boyfriend?
Be your what?
I'll be your boyfriend. Oh, camera died, but I'm back. We're recording now. We're live, baby.
Hey, you pretty.
Thanks. I got a question.
And now you skip.
They keep saying I'm skipping. I don't know what's wrong.
Yeah, you saying my dog. Yo, what's poppin', shorty?
Hey,
That's what I'm saying. I'm just saying, yo, what's poppin'?
I got a question.
Oh, where? Got smooth.
You can be my boyfriend?
But you get that McDonald's, motherfucker. Get out of here.
Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with my Wi-Fi. Hold on, I'm about to close the app real fast and then open it back up because I don't know what's wrong. It was just fine. Hey, I have a question. Do you want to be my boyfriend? Do you want to be my boyfriend? He did that on purpose. He's not slick.
I like your lips. Your lips is pretty.
Why y'all get on here just to talk to other people? Talk to the person you're on the phone with, stupid. Why my wife acting so dumb?
What's up?
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm chilling. So I got a question.
What's up? You are popping at a time.
So I got a question.
Yeah.
Do you want to be my boyfriend?
Yeah, be your boyfriend. I'm saying I'm gonna go with the associate. Yeah, I'll be your boyfriend.
Okay. I'm gonna do one more. And then I'm gonna end the video.
Yo.
Hey.
What's good? What's good?
I got a question.
What up?
You trying to be my boyfriend? Okay, so clearly y'all ain't shit. I'm done with this video and screen record. I'm done. Video done. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. And I'll see you guys next week on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you aren't new, still subscribe. I'm getting back on my consistent so stay tuned for that. And I'm out and I'm going to sleep. Goodbye. Bye guys.